Hey y'all, Andy Peters Company, Keller Williams Realty. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to our virtual open house. This is 2537 Thompson Road in Brookhaven's Drew Valley neighborhood. This is one of our favorite neighborhoods in this community. You're stone's throw to incredible restaurants, great shopping, so much fun, such a lively neighborhood. This is where it's at. This 5-bedroom, 4-bath house has an open floor plan. This newer construction style is what everybody wants. You're gonna love it. Let's come take a look. Tall entrance, 2-story foyer. You got open concept here between your dining room and your living room and your kitchen and breakfast room. You can see all of it from the front door. So this dining room is bright and open. Look at the custom features with the columns. You've got tremendous wainscoting, custom millwork. I love these little features with these little puck lighting here, which is maybe this is where you highlight some art or you put your hutch. Such a cool space. The heart of the home is the den. This is your massive living room that opens into your breakfast room space as well as your kitchen. You've got enough space here to accommodate just about any kind of furniture that you might have. We've got a gas log fireplace, beautiful millwork. Again, love the ceilings here. We've got this open architecture beam, rough-hewn beam. Beautiful, beautiful space. Right off the den, you've got this awesome deck that overlooks the backyard. Beautiful space. Great backyard, plenty of room for the play set. Or just about anything you'd want to put back here. And check out this beautiful kitchen space. We've got custom cabinets. You've got a 2-tone cabinetry here where you've got a little bit of an off gray color with the island. You've got white cabinets around the perimeter. Beautiful backsplash, quartz countertops. Truly a chef's kitchen. Awesome light fixtures. I love what they've done here. We've got a great pantry over here. Plenty of space for anything you and your family need. I love the appliances in this home. We've got super high-end finishes and super high-end appliances, including a Thermador range and oven and a great Thermador hood. It's fantastic. And then over here we have our breakfast room. Clearly you could use this as a kid's playground as well. This space is just open space that you can utilize however your family needs it most. Obviously a very, very good space to use as a breakfast room. So we're back in the entryway. Instead of taking a right and taking you into the living room and the kitchen, we're gonna go straight and we're gonna show you this great bonus space that can be utilized as your 5th bedroom. It could be your office. It has all kinds of options. Great space, overlooks the backyard. Here's your secondary bathroom, also doubles as your powder room for your first floor. Again, those same custom cabinets. This has marble countertops. Check out the stairwell, isn't this beautiful? Again, wide open, bright light. This big window really allows us to get more light into the space. Come on upstairs, I'm going to show you the rest of the house. We're at the top of the stairs and we're going into our first upstairs bedroom. This would be your guest bedroom, has its own bathroom. Again, custom cabinetry. We've got granite countertops up here. All right, join me. We've got a Jack and Jill bedroom and bath set up here. Again, I love the light of this home. The colors they chose really accentuate the light. But this would be one secondary bedroom. Here's your Jack and Jill. And this will be the second half of that Jack and Jill, another great bedroom. We even have some extra storage space, unfinished space back here. You could add another play area back there, or you could just use it to store holiday decorations or what have you. So come on into the master bedroom. This is a true retreat. I love the bank of arched windows looking over the backyard. Once again, highlighting the light surrounding this property. Cathedral ceilings. How about this bath? Double vanities, his and her closets, jetted tub, beautiful herringbone floors. Separate water closet. This would be one of the huge closets up here in the master suite. Secondary closet. Again, walk-in variety, plenty of space. I love this dual shower head, overhead shower head as well as wall shower head. Beautiful tile work. Great transitional colors. It's beautiful. So we're back in the main entryway. We're going to take a quick trip down to the basement. It's an unfinished space, which is perfect for any of your ideas. Home theater, gym, office, whatever your heart can imagine, it can go in this basement. Let's check it out. So we're in the basement. Again, let your imagination run wild. This space provides a potential family room. Again, same bank of arched windows that we saw in the master and up in the den. And we've also got room for one, maybe two bedrooms down here, and it's stubbed for a bathroom. So there you have it, 2537. This one's not gonna last long, y'all. Make sure you get over here and check it out. We'd be happy to show it to you ourselves or coordinate with your agent. Hope y'all come back and see us. Thanks so much.